What you are about to hear is the biggest secret in drone technology. A leak so massive it will literally kill the existing FPV workflow. DJI didn't build an Avata successor, they built a category killer. This is the DJI Avata 360, the drone that sees everything, and it's about to change how you film forever. The 8K 360 camera, the headlining leak. The biggest bombshell? The Avata 360 is rumored to feature a native dual-lens 360-degree camera system, built right into the shell. This isn't just an option, it's the core of the drone. We are talking about true, full spherical 8K video capture. Why does that matter? It means you fly once and you capture every angle. Every barrel roll, every dive, every impossible near-miss is reframed perfectly in post. This is reframing freedom unleashed by a massive 64-megapixel stacked sensor, offering cinema-grade image quality previously reserved for massive rigs. And here is the secret sauce. The prop guards are invisible in the final 360 stitch. You get the cinematic close-up without the editing nightmare. The hybrid flight revolution, FPV and safety. The Avata 360 is not just a 360 camera that flies, it's a true hybrid FPV drone. The leaks confirm two distinct flight modes enabled by the unique camera setup. Full 360 spherical mode, and a seamless switch to traditional 4K FPV mode at the flip of a switch. This is the drone that masters both worlds. But here's the game changer for safety. LiDAR and omnidirectional obstacle avoidance are confirmed. That means the Avata 360 doesn't just see the front. It sees the entire world around it, enabling advanced tracking and automated flight paths that are impossible with current Cinewhoops. This makes high-stakes, tight-gap flying accessible and safer than ever before. The power upgrade battery and flight time. One major complaint about previous Avata models? The battery life. The Avata 360 is rumored to smash expectations with a significantly larger 38.67 watt-hour battery, a huge 26% capacity boost over the Avata 2. Why the giant battery? The 8K dual sensors and the advanced processing require serious juice. However, leaks from beta testers suggest a real-world flight time pushing towards 28 to 31 minutes in standard flight, thanks to 34% more efficient motors. More power, more flight time, more 8K footage. DJI is giving creators the essential ingredient: time in the air. The ecosystem integration, goggles and transmission. A new drone means new communication. The Avata 360 is confirmed to use the next-generation O4 Plus transmission system, pushing video range up to an unheard of 20 kilometers, 12.4 miles, with a low-latency 1080p, 120 frames per second live feed. This means crystal-clear vision for those long-range, high-speed cinematic shots. And yes, new goggles are coming. The Avata 360 is rumored to launch alongside the DJI Goggles N3, optimized for the 360 format, potentially offering a richer, wider field of view and simplified head tracking that works even when the drone is upside down. The entire system is built for one purpose: total immersion and creative control. The competitor killer, price and release. The Avata 360 is aimed squarely at the custom FPV market, specifically the rigs that bolt an Insta360 camera onto a custom Cinewhoop.